Hey guys, it's Ryan here with WC Blasting, and I appreciate your guys' comments coming in because it helped me think about checking out the specs on this Hold Tight product. If you look here on Google, we've Googled the Hold Tight SDS safety data sheet for this product. This is the product, the Rust Inhibitor, that they recommend you use with the Dustless blasting system. Now here we have the two sites. We got the SDS from holdtight.com, and then we got the 330 whatever this is, Dustless blasting PDF here, SDS. We're going to check both of these out. Now you'll see these are the guys that don't even teach you how to wear gloves when you're blasting. All their videos are very unsafe, and it's teaching the industry, potentially to be very hazardous to their health. You see here, this is only one page, this SDS, and that's from the Dustless blasting link here on Google. Now if you go to Hold Tight's page, this is from holdtight.com, you'll see that this document is actually 12 pages long. You'll see some things here that they have listed with this Hold Tight product. Avoid breathing mist or vapors. That comes up number one, and that's pretty detrimental with blasting as you're spraying that into the air daily, hours on end. And one of these things that this product does is it takes away salts and nitrates, sulfides. It'll also remove the oil from your skin on metal. So you can imagine what this product would do if it actually did touch your skin. As we're, humans are made mostly of those salts and moisture, water. This is everything against that. So also it has another one here, which I found pretty interesting. Avoid release to the environment. That sounds pretty scary as well. And here they have some wash skin thoroughly after handling, wear protective gloves and eye protection. And if you go down here, it goes through all the different compositions of this chemical, as well as the first aid measures. And if you keep going down as well, firefighting measures, accidental release measures, handling and storage. And you keep going down here, and it gets a little scary when it gets into the toxicological information here. They've been testing this on oral rats, dermal rat, oral rabbit, oral guinea pig. If this is what you're trying to stand behind, this is the type of stuff that you're using while you're blasting, it's best just to leave the water out of your blast system and maybe put up a tent or move it to somewhere, that you're not going to have these symptoms of exposure. And basically this stuff isn't even supposed to be going down the drain here when you look at this disposal considerations. This is very unenvironmentally friendly, and it is not good. It's pretty crazy that this document is 12 pages long and the other one is only 1 page long. So I just wanted to give you guys a heads up on that, and we really thank you guys for checking us out on YouTube. Make sure you stay tuned and hit up the comments section, because that helped us figure this one out. So have a good one and good luck out there, YouTube. Thanks again.